The Chatterboxes initiative is a collaboration between SPEC's Bray Area Partnership and the HSE Primary Care Speech and Language Therapy team in Wicklow.
Chatterboxes is a prevention and early intervention initiative that works with parents, early year services and schools to support oral language development in the early stages of children's lives in the Bray area.
SPECS is a Bray Area Partnership initiative funded under TUSLA's area-based childhood programme. So we were really delighted to have the opportunity to work with the HSE to bring a new model to the Bray area in supporting oral language development in our community.
Chatterboxes has seen a move away from the traditional medical model of intervention towards a more integrated, person-centred model of care that practically delivers on Sláinte Care's ideals of the right care, the right time and the right place. Poor speech and language skills have a negative impact on educational attainment and literacy. In Bray, we found that 70% of children in community early years services struggled with vocabulary and learning new words. So a lot of Chatterboxes work has focused on helping children, parents, early years practitioners and school teachers to improve this. In Chatterboxes, I work in the community rather than using a clinic-based model of service delivery. The main aim of Chatterboxes is to work with key adults in children's lives in their community settings, so parents, early years practitioners and schools, empowering them to support their children or the children in their care or service. We identified a number of programmes with good evidence to support children's language and vocabulary development. A particular focus of the initiative has been working with early year services in schools to build their capacity to support language development.
We have had a long history of working with the speech and language team in the HSE and with SPECS in Bray, and we were delighted to get involved in Chatterboxes, an intervention which could target the whole class as opposed to just one or two pupils.
So far, our results have been really positive. Results of language assessments after a period of intervention showed that children had improvements in their vocabulary scores. Both staff and parents feel more confident and competent in supporting children's language development. There have been changes in practice and interactions between the adults and the children that we know support speech and language development. Children have fun while they're learning. They're enjoying fun games and activities.
So by pooling resources and developing a plan based on the needs within our own community, SPECS and the HSE have managed to intensify efforts to support language and communication development with children in Bray.
We have seen huge benefits from getting involved in Chatterboxes. The staff now have an increase in their knowledge of the whole speech, language and communications area. There's been an increase in their knowledge, their skills. We have seen an increase in their speech, language and communication skills. We've seen an increase in their social skills. We've seen an increase in their listening skills, their concentration skills. And Language Land has a lovely way of teaching that through the use of a puppet, where they learn good listening, good sitting, good waiting, good thinking and good looking. In Language Land, students have the opportunity to learn all about narrative. All of these skills improve the confidence of the child, allowing them to fully access the curriculum.
What were you guys telling me a minute ago about Froggy? What do you have to teach Froggy?
To sit properly and cross his hands like this.
Yeah, and his legs like that? Wow, Dorothea, if Froggy is being bold, what do you have to tell him?
Stop, Froggy, do good sitting.
What game were you telling me that you liked playing?
The Froggy and the robot thing.
How do you play the Froggy game?
Like we throw the thing on what three and then you get the right thing, show what's the thing in the picture.
And what about the detective game?
Oh yeah, you had to like try found what the people says. And when the people guess the wrong, you have to like get it and show them. If it's right or wrong, if it's right, you keep them, I think, and when it's wrong, you throw them back. I am the robot.
Oh, you guys are brilliant robots.